Okay, let's go.
Wait lang, not now.
Kasi mabasa
Wala
yung mga
pa countdown.
A, A, A,
That was fun though. Ano na lang yun.
A.
At least
Yeah, it
yung
was.
key, I think it needs to touch the lock mismo, JM. Parang
Yeah, I know.
Tara,
Go in,
tara,
go in,
Gagi,
go in.
we're idling.
Why is it moving?
Oh, that was fun. Fuck.
Okay.
I like this.
Panic in the airplane.
Okay na,
Let's
nakaload
start.
ko na, JM.
Huh? Yeah.
Sige, start nyo. I'm just gonna listen to music.
Ay. Kasi I want to hear this.
You're
Yes.
all
You're always sure.
test this new airplane that flies without presence of pilots. What was supposed to be relaxing became a nightmare when the system suddenly went out. Now you have 60 minutes before your fatal destiny. Okay.
Sabi nga.
Okay, then do we start?
Yes.
Oh, ay! Oh shit.
Okay.
Okay.
So we start here.
Just let. There's so many things. Okay, it says here.
Oh, researchers, please check the seats A2, D3, G1, E2, H1. The positions are wrong.
A2, G1, and A2. A2? Who's at A2?
I'm at A2. K. There's a letter K in A2. What?
Eh,
There are
A2?
letters behind. Okay. A2, there's letter K in A2.
Oh yeah, A2, K. A2, K.
What's the ano?
D3. D3, D3.
AI?
AI?
Yeah, the D3 is I.
G1.
E2, H1.
T. G1 is T.
And then
E2
E2.
is N.
And what's H1?
H1?
H1 is you see.
H.
H?
Think.
Think. Think.
Think.
Type it, type it, type it.
Sige, type nyo. Kayo mag-type.
Ay,
Hindi think?
it is think.
Right? What possible combination? Ayun!
Ayun.
Ayun. Sabi ito sa 7, 8, 8, 2. Ano
There,
ito?
try nyo.
What?
Wait! Okay. Let's analyze.
Oh wait, maybe on top. May mga ano dito eh.
Ayun!
What? Ano yun?
Ayun! I got it!
Yan, yan, yan.
Russia,
No,
Russia,
Russia, Canada. Russia, Canada, and Brazil.
Okay.
Russia. Where's Russia?
From
Russia.
what? We're starting from Russia to Canada to Brazil?
1 day and 2 hours. Yeah, Russia, Canada to Brazil.
1
1
day.
day and 2 hours plus 20 hours a day. 1 day and 22 hours.
1 day and 22 hours and 30 minutes.
Yeah, type it.
Day,
How do you
hour,
type it?
minute.
1 day, 1, 22. How do you type it? I know it, type it there.
No, it has to be ano. It has to be day, hour, minute.
Day,
122.
1 day, 122.30.
122.
I tried it, ayaw eh.
There.
Wait lang, maybe there's something more sa, wala, maybe here, sa other one? Ayaw dito?
Ah, wait, I have one.
Sige, try mo. 122.30. Ayun!
Oh, wait. What's this?
Why is this so much easier than the last one?
I know.
Airplane plus airplane. Okay, airplane is 5. Seat is 4. airplane taking off is 5. Or, and that airplane is 3.
4,
What?
9. Wait, tama. Oo, tama. Ah,
4, 5, 3. Yeah, 4, 5, 3.
yeah, tama, tama. Hindi. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Yung pag naka-sequence to, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. 3.
Ayun.
Ayun.
What's this?
4.
Oh, there. 4, 2, 8, 3.
4, 2,
4, 2, 8. Oh my god.
Gosh, guys.
You're on fire! Holy shit! After that last shithole.
Okay, it's 3. 3.
It's not like, do we count like those individual facts? Oh, there! Sequence panel.
Ayun, mer.
Macaroon, fruit, nut, tango, crumb.
Ate, parang...
Macaron,
Oh
fruit, nuts,
That's all there ito.
Wait, what the shit? How
We
are
have
we supposed
to. We need to have a pen and paper to write the quantity down.
Wait, so it's macaroon. How many macaroons? 4? 4? How many fruit nut?
Fruit, nut.
2?
Let's ano muna, ayun, sige.
4, 2, is it 4, 2, 2? 4, 2, 2, 5? 4, 2, 2, 5?
3 almonds.
3, 4, 2, 2, 5, 3. 4, 2, 2, 5, 3, 3.
5,
Where,
3,
dude?
3?
4, 2, 2, 5, 3, 3.
4, 2,
Is it here? Body.
4, 2, 5, 3, 3.
What?
No, not wala.
Count the quantity of each flavored bar and put them in their correct order according to the sequence panel.
What?
Count
Flavored
the quantity
bars.
of each flavored bar and put them in their correct order according to the sequence panel. Okay, I get it now. Diba, eto, how many, and then you have to put them, put them in their correct order according to the...
What they put
No.
in their
Tama
correct
nga,
order?
that's the right thing we did. I think we just counted it wrong. Sige, let's count ulit. There's 4 macarons. 4 macarons.
Yeah.
Ilang fruit nuts?
2.
4, 2.
2.
Okay.
4, 2. 2 tango.
2 tango. And then, crumble.
5.
5. And then, cashew.
3. 4.
4. And then 3.
4, 2, 2, 5. 4, 3. Yeah.
And 4, 2, 2, 5, 4. Ba't? Bakit yun?
Parang ayaw sa'yo.
Censored. Mali. 4, 2, 2, 5, 4, 3. No, it's not here then.
Baka dyan na.
Flavored.
Yun!
Yun! Check
Check the seat H1 and look from the plastic. H1, H1. Where's the H1? Passenger seat? Passenger view?
So you sit,
Ito.
you try to sit. And then you look at ano. What do you see?
I see like a plate number, but
Sige. Try.
Really?
Oh, okay, it's like a puzzle. Look, you can
it's in
react.
the plate.
What do you see? Sige, ikaw nga dyan.
What? I can't see it. Oh, there!
Ayun, yun. You
Wait,
can see
that's-
the bottom
oh.
half, diba? Sige, tell me, it's like an 8, diba? What
Oh.
do you need to deactivate?
Wait
Ano
now,
yung
wait now,
meron?
wait.
Ano yung meron? Nasa taas.
This is so hard.
Okay, maybe it's better.
Okay.
I see it, but like, it's so hard.
Okay, wait. Let's go with the first one. Yung first
Chance
one
all
is
ba
1, 2.
So like, ito lang, diba? Yung nasa edges lang. Ayan.
Siguro,
Yan.
And then,
I'll do the last number.
I can't understand. Do you have to imagine us sitting down?
no!
Wait,
Stop!
Oh, wait, it's there! It's literally just on the seat.
It's right here. Wait a
I thought I was looking there. Do you see that? Do you see that? I was like, wait, you already stopped for that. That is so...
Diba?
That is
I don't know,
not
like someone look from the passenger seat. We were playing 4D chess, bro. We were just, it should be 3D, we were playing 4D, bro.
so bad. It's so bad.
Ito na so, ito. 1, 2, 3. No, mali to na. Ay, tama. Ay, tama ba?
Wait lang,
Di ba?
Ito. Arrange the first one, Jem. Alam mo, okay, memorize ko yung first one.
I think I can memorize the second one. Second
Sige, I'll
so
check the first one.
second one is an F.
Sige, isa lang. I'll check the...
Tama ba yan?
Okay na yung first one. The third one, pati fourth one. Okay na yung third. Third one, isa lang. Ay, dalawa. Top right, pati bottom left.
Is it that?
Oo. Yun na yun, di ba?
No.
That was right. Yung kanina.
Kulang ate.
And then, dalawa dito. Dito. Bump,
How do we add that?
bump. Square. F. L. Check the seat H1. Look from the passenger's view. Bro, are we stupid? What?
Oh my god.
Do we still have to
I
look?
think it's supposed to be the opposite.
Sige.
That's what I was doing. You just changed it up, Aaron.
Sorry. To be fair, this wasn't me, it was also JM.
You were like, what's wrong, Nat?
You hate me. Wait, I'll fix it, I got it.
Well,
For real this time, I got it for real this time.
you got it wrong already. Ate, you got it wrong.
Huh?
Yeah.
Kala ko ba, bawal yung anan dito? Ito, left and right, nandun, bawal, oh. Right?
Left and right bawal.
Ayun yeah, but, so we have to get this away.
Why?
Kasi left and right dun sa third one. I think you're looking at the first one. Ayan, no? Yeah, yung first one yung wala. Ayaw nga, dapat wala to, diba? Sige, yun.
What?
I'm gonna text it. So it's
Sige, try nyo muna yung sa inyo. Kasi, I don't know, maybe tama, baka tama, no, most probably you guys are
Ate,
right.
ano kasi yung may nalagay kang mali. Look, it's L. Yan o. It's supposed to be L. L, and then do a bar.
this is taking me out. Aaron!
Sorry!
Grabe ate, parang umirap lalo.
We can't get the third one right.
Isn't that? It's that.
Knee deep in the past.
No. One more. It's that. It's literally that.
Is it bugging again?
It's literally that. Oh wait, no, it's not that.
Deep in the... Wait, we missed one.
Really? Isn't it that though? What's going on?
Wait nga na, pipicturean ko na nga.
I'm like trying to shut it off.
Yeah, ate, you are shutting it down.
Wait lang. Ipipicturean ko. Okay, I will come back. Okay, walang gagalaw.
What do they mean by passenger's view? Meaning by the passenger's view.
Wait, ganito ba? Pababa?
Yeah. Ano ba? Passenger's view. Kasi
Hindi ba?
you're not gonna face like this. I mean, we tried one like this.
Bakit sinabi nilang passenger seat kung hindi naman passenger seat?
What do you mean?
You guys are right.
Di ba? Di ba? Sa ano yung instruction?
Like, look from the passenger's view.
Check the seat H1, look from the passenger's view.
That's really the passenger's view.
Oh, nakatingin ako sa baba ko kung ako yung uupo.
Baka
Yeah,
opposite.
like,
Baka
like,
opposite.
look, kasi H1 din. Ah, siguro ano? I don't understand.
Baka ganito nga, baliktad nga.
Really?
Wait,
Kasi
try
if we look above, it's H1, H2. Nakasulat if we look here. So, isn't
Try
that?
lang natin. Tama to eh, pero ayaw niya eh, kaya let's try it again.
She said this is right.
Nagbabag na naman siya eh.
Maybe in the passengers.
Okay, kung ganito kadali yung ano, well not kadali, pero like if it's this difficulty yung escape room, it's actually kinda good. Nakuha nyo? Okay.
Ayan. Ay, wait lang. Ayan. That's literally it.
Nga eh. Literally.
Maybe the opposite nga. Like, yung
Wait.
naka-darken.
Maybe yung cell.
Those are
From the
the
passenger's view,
maybe the darkened ones are the ones that we have to deactivate. Natry na ba yun?
baka we just leave the ones. Oh my gosh, maybe we're not supposed to follow the freaking thing. Wait nga.
Yeah, yung opposite niya yung ginagawa natin. Like, the opposite thing we do. We do the opposite thing that it says. So.
Wait lang. Ang scary naman ng music na to.
Dennis is playing on my background.
Parang
Ah.
takot. Okay.
Wait, it's a number. 357?
Nine. 4.
Ah!
3, 5.
574?
Wait lang.
Okay.
Oh, we got it. Good job, Nats.
What the fuck is this?
Oh my gosh, this was so hard for some reason.
What is this? What's the blue?
Okay. So blue check, white X.
1 plus 2, 3.
3,
1 plus
311.
1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3.
11.
1 plus 2,
3, 11, 3.
11, 3,
3, 11, 3, 4. I mean 8. 3,
6,
11, 3, 8.
I have it.
Are you writing this down?
No.
No,
Okay, look. It's ano, 3,
11, 3,
11, 3,
8.
8?
it's 6.
Really? 2 times 8?
Nasaan na ba kayo? Pangatlo?
Wait, 2 plus
Apat.
4.
Ay,
Pang-apat?
plus pala. Yeah, 6 pala.
6.
2, 6, tapos
3, 11,
Zero.
3. Sorry, 3, 11, 3.
Only 1. Isn't it 1?
it's 3.
0 or 1? Wait, what's... wait, it's 3.
It's
I keep
3
thinking it's
minus 0.
times. I keep thinking it's times. 3. 3?
3.
That's
Three.
missing.
3!
3?
This is missing.
What? Why?
Teka nga, okay.
Di ko na-input. 3, 11.
3,
11.
11,
3.
3.
3,
6.
6,
6, 3.
3.
Oh, enter.
Dito sa kabila.
Okay, dyan.
Mother bludger.
What's the...
Oh,
Ayan. To guess the game.
Yan.
I think I got it. Oh, fuck.
Okay, it's open.
It's open.
ZZZ. Zvezka. Zizaz.
How much
Zizal.
time do we have?
It's here, girl.
39 minutes.
Ah, okay.
Zizal.
It's F. Ah, wait lang. Ito.
Ah, there. 7.
I don't know what's happening. I'm so sorry.
Oh, look. It's here. Okay. Wait.
How are we supposed to know which one?
Ah,
Yeah,
gets. F.
Wait.
Wait, how do we know
But like
which
there's
one?
M.
What the fuck?
Aaron, that's what I was talking about.
I think F, C.
I think we have to guess which word makes sense.
Yeah, yun yun. Oo, yun yun. That's what I'm trying to-
Sal.
Salsa. Saldi.
Salde. Saldical.
Your mother.
Fa. Fa. Fal. Fal. Nakakainis naman tong wiu-wiu.
Ingay po. Sunod.
7. Okay. F. Okay. Okay. Sak. Sak.
Makalsa. Malsa. Makal. Is that L? MCL?
Saddle.
Saddle.
Saddle? But like this is the spell, alright?
No.
Spelling is wrong.
Yeah, the spelling is wrong. I don't know. That was the. Oh, no, what am I-
Fame.
Okay, mali yung nilalagay.
Paddle. Fadal.
Time. Ano lang time natin? We have 36 minutes. Around the same time we took last time.
Fame.
Granted, this is a much harder difficulty.
Try nyo na yung Maiden. Ayaw pa rin.
Maiden?
Yeah, it doesn't work.
No, I tried Faden.
Yeah, Maiden doesn't work as well.
M. So it's M. M-A. 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 Maid?
Maid what? Maid sa, Maido, Maiden. Maida?
Maiden.
Faden?
Maiden?
Fades na. Faden?
Wait, I feel like you're stuck.
A-D-E-M. Maiden. Wait, can you search it?
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Hindi na gumana.
Maid.
Is this even the right like approach?
Yeah, yun nga eh. Wait lang, I'll try this one. Oh no, I can't hear it. It's probably wrong though.
How do we know what we're doing?
Fall! Oh my god, I'm so fucking stupid!
I fall.
Oo nga no.
What? Ah, wait. So we're dumb. So you're saying we're stupid.
No, it's not like that.
283 positions. Ah, ito.
Oh shit.
The levers here.
Okay.
So it's
You
it's
think
two-
it's better to look at this way sa right, sa ano, here?
wait, yes, sir.
Yeah,
Here
here.
in the middle.
Okay, okay.
It's
Two.
2.
2. Okay. Sige, sige, I'll wait.
I know, no. 8. It's
Hindi
8.
naman 80.
Wait,
Depende
wait,
sa
which
point of
one?
view mo. So like,
wait,
I feel
what?
like you look at, oh no.
Oh yeah, depende sa view ate. Let's try first.
Sige, let's try first. Sige, I'll drop it down.
2 to 8.
2 to 8. Sige, I'll repeat it, sorry. 2 to 8, sorry? 2 to 8, 3.
2 to 8, 3, 2, 8.
2, 8. 2 to 8, 3, 2, 8. 2 to 8, 3, 2, 8. No.
Oh, maybe we look at the captain side.
Yeah, okay.
8, 8, 3, 2.
Sorry?
8, 3, 2.
8, 3, 2,
2.
2.
8. Huh?
Sorry, 8, 3, 2. Sige.
8,
8,
3, 3.
3, 3. 8, 3, 2. 8. Sorry, I'm writing it down just in case we forget it. What?
What?
8, 3, 2. 8.
No, how we look at this?
Okay.
Wait. Lord help us.
Maybe you look at it in the middle.
How?
Position the lever on the panel. Positions of the levers on the panel. Wait, pag ganito
Yeah,
raw,
no?
pag ganito raw. So we look at this
What?
nga. We look at the
Yeah, yun na.
Sige, repeat the code to me. I think I got one wrong.
It's 8, 3, 2, 8, 3, 3.
832 833.
Hmm.
832 833. Oh no. Maybe here? 8.
How do you
Three.
look at that?
Excuse me, JM. Ay, sige, clear ko lang. 8, 3, 2, 8, 3, 3.
Thank you.
Girl!
Search it, search it.
This
Guys,
baby is pressuring me.
Kaya nga
We
nakaka-pressure
have 30 minutes.
na to eh.
maybe try natin baliktad. 8.
What? 8, I mean 2, 2. Huh? About 2, 2 lang. Ay,
Yun.
Ayun.
Jump off the airplane now. Open the exit. 0508. Asan yung fire exit?
0508.
Sige, go. 0508
08
2023.
20.
23.
Go jump.
Baliktad niya. Oh, wow. That was it? Walang ano?
We're stuck here.
Huh?
Why are we stuck here?
AM?
I think I know why we did not grab the parachute. Sabi parang grab a parachute or something.
Where are you, Aaron?
I'm at the lobby.
Did we complete it?
No, we didn't.
There's parachutes.
No, there was none.
Hindi.
It's bugged again.
Hey.
Eh.
Nasaan kayo?
Soft clubbing feels like. We're in the lab. In a different lab.
Ah, you're on a different lab. What? Okay, GG. So,